What is up, guys? If you saw my first slime video, that was like 3 seconds ago. But so I went and washed my hands clean, and I found out we really don't have food color dye, but I do have tie dye, so I'll just use that because I'm a little tie dyer. Okay, get the green and blue. Oh, that's purple, buddy. No! No! Blue almost fell. Okay, guys. There's one on my chin right now. Okay, that was green. That's a lot of green. But, guys, we might... I almost said guys for a second. We might actually make just out of scrum. I have to throw it away, but no. And let me put it back on my tire. Not really a tire, but... Yo! This works super good. Only thing is, you can't eat it. I mean, I wasn't planning on eating this in the first place. But yeah, I'm not gonna mix it up till like I get all my colors. I just had to move the plate. Okay, now we're on orange. Yo, this kind of looks like Okay, the green I just used. Where'd it go? I used this green, but when I put it in there, it kind of looks like Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon slime? Anybody? Okay. I just used a pink, all of my pink. That sucks, but hey. Okay, now we're on to our darker green. And I need to wash my hands again. Okay. Just love this. Yo. Lot of dark. We love dark. I don't, but I do. Alright, purple. Wait, is that purple? A bluish purple. Purple is blue anyway. I think so. I'm not really sure. That's blue. Yeah, we just used half of my blue, but hey, I might never tie-dye stuff again. So, again with the greens, yep. I feel like I'm doing, I said this in my first slime video, I feel like I'm doing not my hands. We're on the yellow. I don't have much yellow, but, oh my gosh. Okay, okay, that's my first one. Where's my other, oh God. Oh gosh, this is colorful. Oh no, it might turn out one of them slimes that just tear apart. Shaving cream. For some reason, my hands love to grab the shaving cream. Only thing I think it's not working out. Wait, do I have more glue? I think so. I had to pause my first video because it wasn't really going well. Because, like I said in my first video, I just had to, my first slime video, I just had to wash my hands because they were like looking like a marshmallow if you didn't see it. Okay, I think I learned my lesson. Not a lot of shaving contact solution. Yo. Do y'all know how much blue I just saw? Yo! If I wake up and my hands are, if my hands are blue as a Smurf, I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Not going good. I think I should just let it sit for a day. For a day or two. Well, definitely not two. Yo, that actually looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. It feels weird, but we'll get through it. What's this out? There's over 200 kids. Right yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I should put more baking soda in. Baking soda. Soda. Huh, I said baking soda. Might see some fogs, but okay. Excuse me, this feels weird. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna mix it up with my hand here. I feel like that's the strategy of the year. I'm so smart. This kind of looks like oh gosh, it looks like dang it. It looks like dang it. Kind of look like salad, yeah. Okay, that just sounded like a bus was coming. Guys, if this video gets maybe okay, I'm just gonna stick with 100 because yeah, okay, 100. If this video gets 100 likes by the end of next week, by next Friday, then I'll do a room tour. Either that or, well, since the coronavirus is here, I don't really have much to do. And when it was not here, still didn't have much to do. But that's okay. Because excuse me for a second. Guys, I mean, I feel like contact solution is kind of messing me up here. No, instead of a room tour, if this video gets, I'm gonna stick with 100 once again. If this video gets more than 100 likes, I will figure out how to do I will try to figure out how to do a stream. Oh yeah. It's my... Like I said in my first video, I might just get some of the best ones out, honestly. And yeah, and just go from there. And I think that's gonna be just what I'm gonna do. Or I just might just throw this away. Well, guys, looks like a taco now. And before I do anything, oh jeez, and it's leaking. My taco's leaking. Taco is leaking. Ah! Ah! It's leaking! I just screamed so hard. Guys. Yeah, guys. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I don't really want to pick my phone. As soon as I picked my phone up, that dropped. Well, guys, you see it? Yeah. Let's put the phone down. Well, there goes my slime, I guess. Peace. Remember, I need more than one. Okay, if this video gets more than 100 likes, and my first one, I'll maybe do a room tour, and then when my birthday comes in 3 months, I'll do a birthday video. Adoy.